All right, welcome to this video where we are going to talk about and explain what the inventorship now really is. So, you may or may not have heard of the NOVU, which is the Dutch order for inventors. Now, it's an well, you could say interesting organization that is a perfect example of something that only exists in first world tier countries. And you would be right. So I was a member of the NOVU. And personally, what they say here is great and all, that they can help you out. But in the end, I do not feel that it is good enough. And here is where my inventorship comes in. So allow me to elaborate a little bit why things are going, wrong. If we have the NOVU, they assume that you are going to do it, inventor, that you're going to do it alone. So what they do, they will give you knowledge. They give you connections. What else did they mention? Oh yeah. They say they give you support. And what was the last one? Oh yeah. The last one is to be inspired. And all of that should result into turning your idea into eventually money. That's kind of the idea. Sounds good and cool, but it's not good enough. And that's the issue what I ran into. So now let's try this again, but this time better. And this is where inventorship comes in. I would call it the co-founder for inventors. And still, you will be one inventor, but you will be doing it together with me, or rather, I will be your co-inventor. And we are following together your path to, by the way, to success of your invention. And by not having to do this entire course alone, you have the ability to brainstorm with me, to translate the knowledge into tangible results. We can both reach out to connections. Support is pretty vague, but in inventorship, it's, well, what you can expect from a co-founder, that if we dedicate a certain amount of hours per week, then we're going to dedicate a certain amount of hours per week each other. And working together already automatically inspires. So I don't really have to mention that as a separate thing. Inventors are by default inspired. Otherwise, you cannot be an inventor. So this inventorship is basically being a co-founder, a mentor, a coach, a co-worker, a colleague, together with you, helping to build your invention from just some kind of concept into a prototype, and proving that it can work and that it is actually working. So that from there, you have something to continue forward, stepping into a commercial market. And that's what inventorship is all about. Right. Not much to say. I hope this clarifies a little bit. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Bye-bye.